One day, David plans to have dinner with his friend in Spring Restaurant. So he drives his electric car, parks the car when he arrives, and goes to the restaurant and meets with his friend. 2 hours later, the happy gathering is over, and he heads back to the car, finds that the battery level is low, and he may not make it home. So he drives to charge his car, but the line is long and he has to wait. That's frustrating. Sometime later, David is again driving his electric car to gather with his friend. When he arrives, he parks and charges his car, and goes to the restaurant and have dinner with his friend. 2 hours later, the happy gathering is over, and he heads back to the car, finds that the battery is fully charged, and he can drive his EV home right away. This is a kind of destination charging solutions. There are 2 prevalent solutions available that's potential for the destination charging. The first kind is the AC charger supporting 7 to 11 kilowatt power for pure electric vehicles and 3.3 kilowatt for hybrid electric vehicles. So overall, it takes more than 6 hours to fully charge an EV. That's totally insufficient for EV drivers with range anxiety. The second kind is the DC charger with air-cooled power modules. It has higher power, but the electricity energy will be wasted when the EV is charged too fast and the charger is still connected. Besides, air-cooled charging module requires timely maintenance and complicated installation, both raising total cost of owning. What's more, working fan of the charger makes noise, which can be disturbing to the residents. A new solution for destination charging by UUGreenPower fixes all these problems. And that is the 20 kilowatt DC charging pack solution. The 20 kilowatt power is sufficient to charge the EV, and the independent air duct design prevents the device from corrosion and thus lower the TCO. What's more, it's easy to integrate in charging pile and makes low noise, so it is suitable for destination charging overall.